Imagine you're working on a Sharp LCD TV, model LC-32SA1EA, and you're facing an issue with the power supply. You need the power supply schematic to diagnose and fix the problem. This document is crucial because it provides a detailed map of the electrical connections and components within the power supply. Without it, troubleshooting becomes a shot in the dark. You understand, the schematic is like a blueprint. It shows you exactly where each wire goes and how each component interacts. This leads us to the challenge, finding this elusive schematic. Stay tuned as we dive into where you can locate it and how to use it effectively. When it comes to locating the power supply schematic for your Sharp LC-32SA1EA LCD TV, there are several avenues you can explore. First, consider manufacturer websites. They often have a support or download section where you can find schematics and service manuals. Another reliable source is online forums and communities dedicated to electronics repair. Websites like e-blog or specialized repair forums can be treasure troves of information. Additionally, don't overlook the potential of academic and technical libraries. Many have extensive collections of electronics manuals and schematics. Remember, the key is persistence and thorough research. And here's why that matters. Having the correct schematic is crucial for accurate diagnosis and repair, ensuring you don't waste time on incorrect assumptions. Accessing manufacturer resources is often the most reliable way to obtain detailed schematics and documentation. Start by navigating to the official website of the manufacturer. Look for a support or resources section. Here, you'll typically find downloadable documents, including schematics, user manuals, and firmware updates. Pay attention to model-specific information. In this case, you're looking for the LC-32SA1EA. Sometimes, manufacturers require you to register or log in to access these resources. Ensure you have an account set up. If the schematic isn't immediately available, check forums or community pages linked from the manufacturer's site for additional guidance. Remember, these documents are invaluable for accurate repairs and modifications. Now, let's dive into the treasure troves of knowledge that are online communities and forums. These platforms are invaluable when you're on the hunt for specific schematics or troubleshooting advice. Imagine a vast library where every book is written by an expert in the field. That's what these forums offer. For instance, if you're looking for the power supply schematic for a Sharp LC-32SA1EA TV, you post your query on a relevant forum. Be specific about your needs and provide all necessary details. The community will often guide you to the exact resource or offer step-by-step advice. Remember, the key to getting help is to give as much information as possible and to be patient. These forums are run by volunteers who are passionate about sharing their knowledge. So, engage respectfully and contribute back whenever you can. This not only helps you but also strengthens the community. And here's why that matters. If you've reached this point and still can't locate the power supply schematic for your Sharp LC-32SA1EA LCD TV, it may be time to consider professional repair services. These experts have access to proprietary schematics and the tools needed for precise diagnosis and repair. They can also provide a warranty on their work, giving you peace of mind. Remember, attempting complex repairs without the right knowledge can be risky. Professional services not only ensure the job is done correctly but also save you time and potential headaches. This leads us to our final point. If you want to master this and similar challenges completely for free, make sure to subscribe to our channel. You'll get continuous, in-depth education that others charge thousands for.